The jury must now decide the punishment of Charles Fischer, the man convicted today on several charges of sexual assault of a child when he was a psychiatrist at Austin State Hospital.
As KXAN's Brittany Glass explains, mental health professionals say this case highlights the need for a greater understanding of trauma and mental health conditions.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Charles Fischer, guilty.
Guilty on several counts of abuse of a child. The 64-year-old former Austin State Hospital child psychiatrist faced several charges after former patients said he molested them during their sessions. Fischer preyed on his young male patients, intentionally abusing his authority.
This defendant does not believe that the rules apply to him, that he's going to do whatever he wants.
The state's now arguing for a strict sentence.
This is not a probation case.
It's a case that's shocked the mental health community.
Is certainly an eye-opener.
Licensed psychologist Elizabeth Minnie says young people who are suffering from mental illness don't need another threat.
I very much support a verdict or outcomes that will promote the safety of our young people, of our most vulnerable young people who often don't have a voice.
It's a case Minnie says demands a closer look at the Austin State Hospital and patient facilities like it.
We need to take another look at the reporting system and how we're responding to that. I think that there's more that can be done so that we can have a system that can really meet the safety needs of these young people.
A deputy escorted Fischer to Travis County Jail Wednesday evening to begin serving his sentence.
But it really, serves to hold perpetrators accountable.
Brittany Glass, KXAN News.
It's unclear at this point how much time Fischer could serve. The sentences range depending on each charge between 2 and 10 years or 2 and 20 years each. The judge will then decide to issue the sentences concurrently or consecutively. Fischer is eligible for probation. The state of Texas has already made changes to the Austin State Hospital in direct response to the allegations against Fischer. Last month, we told you about a new database that's used to track any complaints about sexual abuse, neglect, or exploitation. It's meant to identify any patterns and better protect patients. Now, state officials are notified about any hospital employees who have 2 or more allegations in 1 year.
New tonight.